Hello, young man. Did you know if you consume FourLokos you become a superhero?
Are you a superhero?
What? This is an outrage. Don't you see my costume?
You are in a red jumpsuit, with a mask that has a pointy top with a shape that looks like a moon. You also have an image of a toilet paper roll on your chest.
Ah, I knew you were smart. That is why I am giving you a chance to become a superhero.
That is not what I need right now. I need...
FourLokos are cheap and not very expensive, and if you consume 4 of them and then do a handstand for 10 minutes you will instantly become one with superpowers.
First off, how dare you interrupt me? Second, I don't need a FourLoko. What I need is soft toilet paper. I have a rash that is quite painful near the lower region of my body.
Oh?
Oh God. Don't tell me you are the toilet paper superhero guy.
Yes. You are correct. I am. I serve the ones in pain. I give them hope under comfortable padding which no one else can provide. I am superhero toilet paper man.
Excellent. Can you give me a roll?
There you go. Done. Can I help you with anything else?
Oh, thank you very much. I needed that. Do you happen to know superhero birth control, Sally?
No, I do not. Can I interest you in FourLokos? You could be the next tissue superhero guy.
No, thank you. You do know those drinks are very destructive to your health? Some of the chemicals in FourLokos may make the consumer black out.
They make me want to party hard and make loud noises.
Superhero toilet paper man, that's all great and everything, but think about it. The 23.5-ounce can is equivalent to 3 cups of coffee, as much as 3 cans of beer. It is 12% alcohol by volume.
That sounds fine to me.
Now multiply that times 4.
Oh shit. So what you are trying to say is, the way you become a superhero is very unhealthy and possibly lethal.
Yes. Pretty much. If you want to protect your health, stay away from these alcoholic energy drinks. The taste is unsightful as well.
You are right about the taste. Those things almost made me vomit after the first 2 sips, but I continued drinking the FourLoko because I wanted to protect my social self-image.
See, I don't have to be a superhero to help people.
Well, I guess you are right. But I will continue helping people and keeping the world a clean and comfortable place.